How's it going today, guys? Today, we're still hunting for those secret rares and the GAX cards. Today, we're going to be opening 5 dollar store Rebel Clash packs. Alright, let's get started. There's only 3 cards in a pack, which is kind of lame, but that's what you get for $1. But who knows? It's always fun to see what you can get. Pidove. Ooh. Reverse Hollow Phalanx. That's kind of cool. And a Steel Energy. All right. So I guess the trick here for the dollar store packs is just one card. You know, I don't see many people open dollar store packs, I guess you can say. Alright. Dark Energy, okay. Caterpie and Galarian Corsola, okay. That's kind of cool. I haven't gotten Corsola yet. These packs do go kind of fast. I mean, there's only 3 cards, but we're just checking it out. Here we got Psychic, a Scyther, okay, and Nosepass, okay. So far, we're 1 and 3. Not bad. I mean, they are only $1. Twin Energy, okay. Galarian Farfetch and Galarian Meowth, okay. We've already gotten this one. Two more packs to go. Haven't been doing good so far, but you never know. I just grabbed some 5 random packs. 6 actually, I think. Xatu, Magmar, and Electabuzz. Okay. Kind of nice. Well, we did get energy in that one. Maybe it's completely random there. All right, Palossand, Hatenna, and a Hollow Luxray rare. Okay, that's pretty cool. I would say that was worth it. Luxray was always one of my favorite Diamond and Pearl Pokemon to have in my team. I think that's a pretty cool card. Well, we can throw that in the sleeve for today's. I think next time we'll open another 3-pack or 2. We'll see you next time.